Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 28th day of May 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today, right at the beginning of our session. We got this amazing strong candle pushing off the trend indicator. We noticed that it's a strong candle by the green pyramid pointing upwards, saying go ahead and take this trade long towards the top of the screen. And then we just have to figure out what our targets are going to be. So we look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be anywhere from 60 to 90 ticks in length. It kind of puts us in between our ATMs. So we'll go with the smaller ATM, but use a longer runner. So we'll go for 16 tick first targets, 31 runner, and a 91 runner. And this is how it all went down in the room today. So we just need to wait for a little bit of a retrace here, which I'm sure we get. And then we can go right over the top of the current candle if you want. First thing we're going to do when we get picked up is put our stop where it belongs, and then we're just going to let the trade take care of itself. Yeah, we'll let it go at market speed until we get picked up. Well, maybe a little bit faster. And then once we get picked up in the trade, we will speed it up to show the result. But the strong candle trade, complex retrace back into the MDI, first strong candle going the other way. And setup is pretty doggone good. All right, first thing we want to do is put our stop where it belongs, under the last major failure point. First target, you see our stop immediately gets brought up here. Now, if this comes back and takes us out at break even, we want to get another order ready. And we have the option, if this comes back and takes us out at minus 14, that'll be a break even trade because we had two contracts. And then we'll just put another order on. If the market wants to keep going short, then we'll just let it go. But we'll get that second order ready. We haven't hit our 30 tick target yet. We'll go ahead and speed it up. And here we go. I thought we had a bit more of a retrace than that, but I guess not. All right, so first two targets are out. We cannot lose money in this trade. We can only make money. So 16 tick targets are out times two, a 30 tick target times one. We're 60 ticks ahead, 300 US dollars. And now we just to see if our larger target can go ahead and get hit. This may take some time. That's our first 5-minute candle. No reason to do anything with this trade one way or another. Just let it run itself out. We may speed it up slightly more. Now we ran into a brick wall there. We could have taken everything out right there at 60s and been done with it, but we're going to go for the 90 tick target. It may take an extra candle, but we'll go from there. This is actually a larger chart move. It's a 15-minute chart move. And it's bouncing around pretty good up there. Oh, it closed over. There we go. So that took a little bit longer than normal. It took about a little over 10 minutes to complete and was worth 755 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 755 US dollars in a little more than 10 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators which make trading a breeze. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.